So hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel and yes जैसे कि मैंने बोला था कि अब GPAT की dates वगैरह all the important notices आ चुकी है. So yes, the online submission of application will be beginning from 19th April, and then it will be available from up till 8th May. Okay, so 8th May तक आप लोग कर सकते हो अपना online form submit, एंड एडिटिंग विंडो 11 में 11th टू 14th मई तक रहेगी. सो इफ़ यू हैव डन एनी मिस्टेक या कोई एनी फॉल्सिफाइड गलती से इंफॉर्मेशन अपलोड हो गई है, सो यू कैन रेक्टिफाई दैट मिस्टेक, राइट. And admit card will be issued on the 3rd of June, and examination is on 8th June, and result will be in the next month, so 8th July, right. So there are few things that you need to keep in mind while I'm going through this particular PDF that I want to share across with you. फर्स्टली आप जब फोटो वगैरह अपलोड करते हो सिग्नेचर, सो सी टू इट दैट वो क्रॉप सही से हो, प्रॉपर पिक्सेल्स में हो, क्योंकि वो अगेन वापस जब रेक्टिफाई करना आता है इट इज़ टीडियस. सो इट इज़ गिवन इन दिस पीडीएफ, लास्ट में दिया हुआ है कि आपको क्या क्या अवॉइड करनी है. एग्जामिनेशन फ़ी की मैं बात करूँ, सो लास्ट ईयर इट वाज 2000, बट सिंस द कमिटी हैज़ चेंज्ड this time, so it is 3500 for OBC, EWS and general category, while it is 2500 for SC, ST and PWD category. Eligibility, of course, if you are in baby farm third year, you can still give, you can opt for it. This is a question pattern: 38 questions from pharmaceutical chemistry, that is medicinal chemistry, POC, inorganic chemistry, सबका मिला के, pharmaceutics, industrial pharmacy, then we have physical pharmacy, pharmacognosy. So we have herbal drug technology, pharmacognosy, pharmacology, clinical pharmacy, pharmacy practice, all those pharmacovigilance. Other subjects like micro, biochem, biotech, jurisprudence. So from that we have 11 questions. So that makes up 125 questions of 500 marks. So major chunk is here, फार्मास्यूटिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री. वहाँ पे आपके 304 क्वेश्चंस कवर होते हैं. सो यू नो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज़. द पैटर्न रिमेन्स द सेम. एवरी राइट आंसर 4 marks, and to incorrect response 1 mark will be detected. And yeah, this is the particular format of computer based test: submitting the form, editing the window, and then demo test. There will be a demo test at the website. This is a new thing. NBMS की website पे there will be a demo test, so you can get acquainted and familiar with the interface. It will be user friendly, do not worry. And then your admit card and security check-in processes. And on the day of examination, there will be a biometric capture of, as well as your thumb print printing and your face ID printing. So this is a PDF that you need to just go through. These are the centers for GPAT. So Agra, Ahmednagar. So you can just have a look at कि आपकी सिटी का है या नहीं इसमें. Vishakhapatnam and all, up till Yavatmal, Varda. So yes, this is a particular PDF, and yes, at the end I was showing you all what are the mistakes you need to avoid right from see over here. Photographs कैसे submit करने हैं, signature. So एक बार देख लेना for your confirmation. So that's all from this side. I hope that आप लोगों को ये वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगा हो. ऐसे ही प्यार करते रहिए, and hoping for more videos ahead. Thank you so much.